Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike here, and we have the Husky, and just look at the packaging, it's nice and flat. So this is going to be an interesting one, because up here I can feel what looks like a very long stick. It actually feels like a really big long stick, but I think there is like what looks like a pen, but I don't know, because up here feels like a really, it's a bit weird, so we'll have to get into it and see if it is a stick. But it's definitely something in there. So let's have a look in here. Yeah, this is the Husky I've been telling you about. It did come yesterday, but I was a little bit too busy yesterday and didn't have time to unbox it. So yeah, let's get into here. So, okay, so, oh, yeah, there's something there. What is that? Oh, wow. I'm intrigued now. I want to know what this is. I'm not used to having a stick in there, but I think it's just a pen, but maybe a bit longer one. So we'll just put that through there a minute, just to get a hole in it, because I'm intrigued as to what this is. So let's open this up and see if it is our pen. Oh, ah. So it was just a pen. Why did I think it was a stick then? Now, this is the 40x40 Husky, but I got, no, sorry, 40x50. I got this for 1p deals. So, yeah, very happy with this. Just look at this. Oh, wow. Let's get the camera up a bit. But as you can see, it's a 40x50, and we've got 21 colours there. But look at this. Oh, yes. I love wolves and huskies, and yeah, they're just very beautiful, beautiful ones. There's actually one in the range that's got like a dark black background, and it's a black furred husky, and it's very similar to this with the blue eyes, and yeah, I think it's going to look really, really lovely. But I've already got that somewhere around here. I think it's at my office, I don't know, but it was here somewhere, and I don't know where I put it. And I'm pretty sure I took all the ones home from the office, so yeah, I'll have to have a look. But as you can see, this is just lovely. He's lying in this snow. You've got the lovely trees behind it, and yeah, Paula was saying that I need to upsize, so I've gone from a 40x40 to a 40x50. And in November, the stick's beautiful, but in November I'm gonna get, for the first time ever, a 60x60. Yeah, can't wait to get that. So yeah, beautiful painting. It's absolutely gorgeous, nice and flat. So let's get that to one side. We've got our standard boat again, as you can see. We've got the boat, wax and pen, and then these are our beautiful drills, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, as soon as I opened the locker, I was like, oh yes, it's nice and flat, because that bear was awful, the way it was packed and stuff, but that's customs. As you can see here, we've got some light blues, we've got black, we've got a blue, browny colour, we've got these sort of colours here. We've got a blue and a light blue, another blue, brown, purpley colour, a blue, light blue, a couple of dark blues, peach maybe, lilac, and a couple of blues. Now we've also got another pack here, and oh yes, these are beautiful colours. 19, that is coming up as 3756, 2 packs of them, 2 lovely blues and a grey. Absolutely fantastic. But I'll tell you something, I very rarely buy Huskies, but when I saw this, it was recommended. So as you put things in the basket, Temu will recommend them. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my God. For me, it was the eyes, because the eyes, they have like a sort of like light minty blue colour. And oh, I just think this is so Narnia vibe. You know, if you've watched the film The Chronicles of Narnia, well, yeah, it just, I don't know, just seeing all the snow and the trees, it just makes me feel like the Snow Queen's gonna come out at any minute. Because you know when Edmund's in the forest and then she just appears, and then gives him a Turkish delight. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. I'm really happy with this. So if you want to get this for yourself, the link's in the description of the video. Most of the Temu paintings come in a variety of sizes, but some are only the one size, but you can pick a different size if you didn't want a 40x50. But this is an absolute beauty of a painting. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, tap that notification bell so that you can be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.